Good morning, everybody. Today's video is like a little backwards. You'll see as you get further in the video. I videoed stuff earlier before doing the good morning because I was well prepared. Anyway, so today's adventures await our buddy Keith all the way from Oklahoma. He's going to come hang with us. We're going to go find some place to eat. A really cool place to eat. You've seen it before, but you're going to have to wait until later on in the movie to actually see what I'm talking about. You see? I'm saying see a lot, ain't I? Anyway, let's get rolling. A visitor today. Ha ha! And he's even waving. What's up, my friend? Howdy. Keith Hibbert, everybody. All the way from Oklahoma. Come to visit us. Come to have lunch with us. All right, we're off on motorcycle adventures. We're actually headed to the Hangar Kafe. You that follow my channel, we stopped there on Route 66 last year. It's about 30 miles from here, and a really cool little restaurant. We'll show you around. Nice little ride too. And of course, we got Keith with us. Woohoo! See you. All right, so we are here. We are at the Hangar Cafe. We got some old cars and stuff out here. This is actually an airstrip out here because here's the hangars. That's why it's called the Hangar Cafe, right? Anyway, just outside of Miller, Missouri. If you guys have not taken a trip here, you guys got to come check it out. It's a great motorcycle ride, a great place to eat, cool stuff to look at. I mean, that has all of the ingredients for an awesome day on the motorcycle. So go have an awesome day on the motorcycle. Come check out the Hangar Cafe. All right, guys, I am going to show you the inside of this place next, and then we'll get out of here. Thank you. As you can imagine, airplanes everywhere. Do what?
Put the poo in your video. Say she's got the poo.
We are. She's doing a short right now, but guys, come get your poo right here. Hey. The Hangar Cafe. She's got some. You just got to go ask for them. Anyway, this place is awesome. What a great meal. What a great place to hang out. And what a great place to pick up some poo. Let's go check out the old vehicles. It's an old Studebaker. Check that thing out. It has definitely seen some better days, hasn't it? Old Champ. Another 59 Studebaker. A 64 Studebaker. Big Studebaker fans. Look, Mama Badger's doing a video.
In the middle of nowhere. Come check this place out.
All right, time to ride back. We're gonna take the long way. We're gonna go through Miller, where I come from. So, ride with us. All right, guys, so I've been by here a few times. I've never stopped. This was basically home base for my entire childhood. Back then, it was called Highway Alignment. My father owned this. It was a mechanic shop. You can see on the side of the building it still says flats fixed, wheels balanced, and out here was a swinging sign that said Highway Alignment. And yeah, this was it. So Dad owned this. I lived here till I was 5, and then they bought the farm. But we still owned this, so we came down here every day to work. And then of course I went to school here in Miller at a private school. So anywho, this is what was home base for sure. So when Dad was working here, I had a bicycle here. I would take my bicycle and ride all over town and all over the country and all over anywhere I could go. You all heard that Generation X where they say come home by the time the lights are on? I had to be home by like 6 because Dad was gonna go home. So yeah, that's what it was. Anyway.
There are no doorknobs on here.
Yeah. Alright guys, I guess today is a trip down memory lane. So welcome to Highland Chapel. Highland Chapel is where I went to school at. Yes, it had a little school, a little private school. I think when I went to school here, there was like 32, 36 of us, not very many of us. But this is where we went to school. This is where I met my buddy Steve. A lot of my life was spent here too. From I think 3rd grade to like till I was 16. I went to school here. So played basketball there, 2 square out front. Like this was it. Welcome to my school. Was there swing sets back there, like I said?
Yeah, there's pull-up bars right here and the swing sets are on the other side.
Yep, we spent a lot of time on those pull-up bars, the swing sets. In the fall, we'd rake up big piles of leaves and jump out of the swing set into the leaves. Yep. It all pretty much looks the same, except there was a house here.
Right where this concrete piece
I don't know if it's where this concrete piece was or not, but there was a house here at one time. I believe I remember that correctly. That's built on. That 2-story piece wasn't there, if I remember correctly. It's been like 30 some years. I could be wrong. When the main highway between one town to another is closed, you end up on a detour out in the middle of nowhere. I'm from this area and I don't know that I've ever been on this road. Always an adventure. Oh, and it's raining on us on top of that. Old guy sitting in his yard, burning some leaves. Welcome to the country. I was talking about squares the other night. This is the one I used to ride around. I spent hours cruising this. Square. Take a picture before we get arrested. All right, we stopped to take a picture of a mural here in Mount Vernon. It's a pretty cool mural. There's another one on that building over there. There's the square that I used to cruise. That's the courthouse I may or may not have attended court in a few times. Anyway, welcome to Mount Vernon. Alright, so we hit the Freedom Silo, and then about a block and a half, 2 blocks from there in downtown Monette is also this mural. You guys have seen pictures we've taken in front of it. But another place that you can ride to. Oh, here's info. You guys will have to freeze this and zoom in to read it, because I'm not going to read it to you. I can't even see if I've got it in the picture. I do. There you go. There's a little history for you. Look at that. I'm an educational channel now. Anyway, what a great day. We're back to Monette. We got Keith to hang out with us all day. Say hi, Keith.
Hi, Keith.
Mama's here. Having a good time. Whew. All right, guys. The end of another awesome day. We went and had Mexican. I didn't video any of that. But we had some great food. The girls are having a book club meeting with all of their book club people. Kim's gonna go work out like he does every night. I'm gonna finish up this video, but what a great day. What a great day of just exploring, checking things out. And for me, that is what motorcycles and the biker lifestyle and all is all about, is actually getting on your motorcycle, riding to see cool, unique places, enjoying the ride, hitting the back roads. That is what it is for me. It is not $100,000 show bikes. It's not see how fast I can go on the highway. That is not what it is for me. For other people it is, and if that's what you like, enjoy it. But this, today, these kind of days are what, for me, are just a perfect day on a motorcycle. So we had a blast. Thank you guys for coming along with us, and we'll see you all tomorrow. It's supposed to rain. Yuck.